Hey folks, so it's Friday morning, I think. Gosh, it feels like you lose track of time. I thought we'd do some shorter walk-arounds. I'm sorry I didn't do one yesterday. I did do a little bit. Actually, we did one Wednesday with Matt, didn't we? So Matt's behind the camera.
Hello.
And so Wednesday, yeah, Thursday's a big day. Got a lot of videos up. Do check them all out. We're here in the this is outside what's called the gym. So the coffee area is over there where there is a huge queue, always. I don't know what it is about coffee. Coffee is one of the most inefficient things to run in a stand. And it's a handmade product. So you sort of need multiple baristas. It's like, little vans always lead to massive queues. I've never understood it. Anyway, so yeah, over there's the lake where the toads are. In fact, the toad sign was up this morning. I noticed it. I took a picture, stuck it on the Instagram. Yeah. So we're outside the gymnasium, which is, it's basically a gymnasium. And this is where more traditional sort of, I guess, show booths is. So let's go in and have a look.
I think it's fair to say we've got our steps in, though, as exercise goes in the gym.
Oh yeah, look, there we go. So up there's a bit of GDR equipment. I particularly like up there what it says no dunking. I don't know if you can see that. If you come over here. So yeah, let's take a quick stroll round. So we've got actually, obviously there was an event at Burgain last night, and I think this is probably a casualty of that particular evening. Hold on, I'm just going to zip you up. Nah, your zip's undone. So yeah, we got 1010 Music over here as well. 1010 Music.
Yeah, I did a video with those yesterday.
Yeah, did a video yesterday. That should be coming up real soon. We've got a really interesting new. It's called a bento box. I think is it a groove box kind of thing?
It does a lot of things. It does sampling. It does playback. Granular stuff.
Wow, loads.
Yeah.
Shack Mat video with Joanalog.
We're going to do Shack Mat today.
And yeah, here we go. These are definitely Burgain casualties. Dreadbox are definitely, they usually party.
We did the video for Dreadbox yesterday though, so
Artemis is, yeah, it'll be up in the due course.
Yeah.
So yeah, the team have been smashing it. Well done, Andy and Ben and Chris, and of course the other Chris and Matt who are here. So yeah, Polyend, we've done some stuff with them.
Yeah.
Hi.
Congrats on the 30th
anniversary.
That was epic. Well, well deserved.
Thank you. So yesterday, I got surprised. We're in the auditorium. I got called in. It's just like, Andreas wants to do like a presentation to everybody. I thought better go because he's like, want to make sure that he sees that we're there. And he gave me a camera and said, can you sit in the front row and take some pictures? And then Matt and Chris came on stage, and it was 30 years of Sonicstate kind of presentation, and it completely ambushed. It was brilliantly done.
Surprised him, folks. There'll be videos online.
Yeah, it was really nice. Loads of people turned up. I didn't tear up, but I probably should have, if that makes sense.
We did on your behalf.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, best service. So yeah, these are the sort of more your traditional booths. Electrophone are here as well. Nice looking little module. Clang. And I think it's Chaos Modular Device. There's something really good here. I can't remember what he said it was. It was a blend between FM and physical modelling. No, not FM. Carpler Strong.
We're coming to these later on today.
Going to see them a bit later on.
Yeah.
And then, hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So, I don't know. What's your name?
Røde, SynthUX Academy.
SynthUX Academy, right. So
we're looking for people to cry with us because we don't have power. Can you cry with us?
Oh no.
I don't do tears. I'm too dehydrated. Nice to see you. Right. And mix the sizer. Some lovely Waldorf stuff. Studio Logic. And we'll come through.
IntelliGel here.
IntelliGel. Wait, weren't they? Oh yeah, IntelliGel. Nice to see them.
Yeah, we haven't seen them here for a couple of years.
No, that's a new. Okay. Love and Ohm Force. There's a whole bunch of people. Right, we'll come through here. Arturia. I guess everybody wants to play a Polybrute, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And there's here we go. Elta. They've definitely Burgained, haven't they? That I reckon.
But we've got a video online of those already that we did.
Yeah, that's right. Well, Matt did the drone. Ambient
drone
the demo
machine.
of the track?
Yeah, we did it. We did a demo.
It was really good.
Yeah.
It's gone down really well. Sleepy circuits, Catalyst audio, absolutely tons of it. So I'm going to get the, well actually we go out the same door we came in, and then we've done the sort of full round, haven't we? I think over there in the corners, Tip Top, big video from them.
Yeah.
Taxed Max, but Max is looking very buff this morning because he had to do a 40 minute plus video with them, which when you're holding a camera up, even if it's not that heavy, after a while it's like doing reps.
Well, we are in the gym, as
Yeah,
we
well
say,
I suppose so. It's the perfect place for it. So yeah, and we're coming through, and so we'll finish up out here. So there you go, that's the tour of the gym area. Got another little, that's where secret entrance, you get in there, it saves a bit of time in the morning. And then over here is the main building. We've got our office in one of these rooms, and well actually if we walk out here we can just quickly look at the seaside stage.
Why
Can't
not?
we? And then because I've got to go to do Yuhi next, no doubt Urs is going to announce a load of things to the team through me, which is what he's done before.
Oh, is that what happens?
Yeah, he says, yeah, it's going to have all these features, and they go, hey, we didn't know this. I don't know if that'll be the case or not. So yeah, that's the seaside stage, which is pretty cool, and this is where the Toads are, apparently.
Yeah, saw some good performances on there. In fact, we did a rig run down on there yesterday of a band as well. So it was live drums and modular.
Yeah, we're going to try and do a few rig rundowns. It's quite difficult. I was going to do one last night with Maiden, but she was having technical issues at the sound check, so we had to postpone. I'm hoping to slot that in today.
Yeah.
So anyway, enjoy. Anything that you haven't seen you'd like us to have a look at, just leave them in the comments. See ya.